Welcome back to my page. It's Majick and it's
Rissi! Woo!
Yeah!
Yeah!
So today we are back with another mukbang. We have, how do you, mukbang? Mukbang? I don't really. Mukbang? Because everybody says it different. I don't know. But we got some good food. The muck.
I just like mukbang.
As y'all can see by the bag, we got some food from Vegan Deadly Sins. I'm pretty sure this is not located anywhere else, but I could be wrong. Is it just a local place?
I think it's a local place.
I ain't gonna tell you where we at, but yeah. They're a vegan Chinese food place, so nothing in here has any meat or animal products. Ooh, and it's still hot. Ooh.
Oh yeah, Chinese food stays hot.
I ain't even mad for taking a minute then. And Rissi here got some soup.
I got myself some wonton soup with vegan ham.
Little beef. You know that dance stuff? Like wonton soup. Cook it. Oh yeah, all that. Now we got our utensils.
I request chopsticks because, little unknown fact about me, I actually prefer to use chopsticks. I just don't use them everywhere because one, you can only find them at Asian restaurants, and two, when I used to just break them out, people would always look at me hella weird because they're like, you're black and you're using chopsticks. And I'm like, they're so much more convenient. And they save so much room.
They're like, how you gotta use that?
Exactly. I'm like, bruh, I've been using chopsticks since I was in kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
Kitty garden.
So she got the wonton soup. What do you have to drink?
So I am obsessed with Annie Ann's, and I got myself a blue raspberry lemonade.
Okay.
If y'all couldn't tell by now, I have a thing for blue raspberry lemonade. That's like my drink. Whether it be Calypso or... I literally have blue raspberry every single day. I do.
Yeah, now that I think about it.
Yeah, when I'm at work, this is what I drink. And if I'm not working, then I have a Calypso.
What else we get? She got some balls.
Sesame balls.
They're like dessert balls.
Yeah, and they're like filled with like sesame.
With cream.
Filling. Well, it's not even a cream. It's more of like a paste.
Cream-filled balls. And on the side, we have some condiments. We've got ourselves some spring rolls. Ooh, shit. Broken spring rolls. And I have some chow mein because I love chow mein.
Yes.
Oh yeah, and then I got the ginger Sprite with the look at that. So we're starving. We haven't eaten in 3 years.
Yeah.
It's been 3 years since we've had a meal. We've been neglected.
Yeah.
We've been locked in a dungeon with the dragon. So now we finally get some food.
It's crazy because the vegan pork looked just like Spam, bruh, on everything I do. Here, let me show y'all the chopsticks. Let me show y'all.
Hold on. I want a close up. Look at that. Chow mizzle.
What we got right here. Good old delicious ass soup. Can't really tip it too much, you know, because it'll pour.
Yeah, so we got all that situated, and you know we got our fork. Ooh, there's gonna be soy sauce. Soy sauce! Yeah, so here we go. We're about to go ahead and munch. Ooh, you gotta soak it. Soak it in the soy sauce. A little bit of, you know, every corner. Okay. Soak the soy. Soak the noodles. Oh yeah, this shit
hot. She ruined it with all the soy sauce, y'all. These noodles are short.
You're short.
Ooh.
It's fire, huh?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Fuck. Look at you.
That shit hella fire, bro. Bro, why these openings been weak lately? Like, Oh. You're a chow mein noodle.
Peace.
So yeah, it's about to be 2022, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Who would have thought we would have made it to this year?
Alright. Got any resolutions? Who you care to share?
My top one is to find the aliens. Must discover the aliens.
Alright. She said aliens.
You?
Well, I know I want to learn CPR and get certified. And this shit tastes like hot dogs. Yeah, and then obviously I want to become a better person, better mother, better girlfriend.
Find the aliens, get rich. Move to an island.
Are you burning your mouth? Is it hot? Is it hot? No? Oh, they hella small. They're cute. Look. Never mind. I was gonna drink a joke, but like that.
Oh.
So it looks like, I don't know, really good, delicious stuff in here. It's got cabbage. I'm thinking that might be mushroom. Or, no, it's not mushroom.
That shit's nice and crunchy though. And even though it's not really hot, it's still fire. What you rate this food?
Solid 9 on the the spring rolls. They just need to be longer, you feel me? That's why they're not a 10.
She's like, I need more to eat. Get it, Basil.
The chow mein. I'm gonna give it solid shit.
Solid shit.
Like a solid 9. It's pretty fire. I wish it was just a little bit more greasy and the noodles were longer.
More greasy?
Yeah, I like my chow mein full of oil.
They could have put a little bit less greens. I don't like all the greens in it so much.
Oh, really?
I really don't like the other place that we go because they put more than that, bro. It's like, you want some noodles on your veggies? Come on. Eat too fast.
Made me swallow piping. It's not connected.
My stomach. Oh no, there's noodles.
I'm gonna eat a wonton ball for y'all. Look at that.
Look how hot that shit is, bro. Let it cool off. Oh, I thought she was gonna take it to the mouth.
Slurp the
testes.
She said, testes. No.
Must drink soda.
LGBTQ people out there, I got a question for y'all. Y'all be sucking strap or not?
Well, do you?
I don't.
No.
No. I mean, have I ever? No. I mean, I've done it once, but I've never done it with you. And that one time that I did it, I was just like so confused as to why I was there doing that. And I asked it to, I said, why am I doing this? I said, how does this do anything for you? You can't feel this. Like, why am I doing this? They're just like, visuals.
They want to see a pretty girl look stupid.
So I felt dumb.
You feel any better? I know someone that used to ask to do it. Can I? Let me see it.
She said, let me see. I'm trying to.
Like,
She said, I'm trying to give you that gulp. Gulp!
I'm over here just trying to go along with it. Like, yep.
You didn't eat a ball.
Oh my god. It's on your eyes. Yeah, eat it before. I'm studying school. You should do one.
I feel like go, babe, go! I'm so proud of her, y'all. Remember, she was so burp shy, and now
burp shot.
she's able just to let it the fuck go.
Let her loose. I don't think I could eat a ball right now because they're sweet. But we're gonna show you what they look like. Here's a ghost.
I totally forgot my friend was gonna drop off my Christmas gift.
To your house. She's been waiting outside.
I don't know.
Oh, we gotta go. We have to be back.
No.
We'll be back, y'all. We forgot.